In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see somebody else calendar in Outlook. This is perfect when you need to coordinate meetings, check availability, or plan around a teammate's schedule without endless back and forth messages. First, open Outlook on the web. You can go straight to outlook.com or visit office.com and launch Outlook from there. Once you're in Outlook, switch to the calendar view. You'll usually find the calendar icon on the left-hand side. Click it to open your calendar workspace. On the left, look for the option to add another calendar. Click Add Calendar. A panel will open with several ways to bring in calendars. Choose Subscribe from Directory. This option is designed for organizational directories, which means it works best when both you and the person whose calendar you want to view are in the same work or school organization. In the search box, start typing the person's name. Outlook will search your directory and show matching results. Select the correct person from the list. If you see several similar names, look for details like their department or job title to make sure you're choosing the right calendar. After selecting the person, click Add. Their calendar will appear in your calendar list and should be color-coded so you can tell it apart from your own. You can toggle it on or off at any time, and you can view it side by side or overlaid with your calendar to quickly spot open times. What you can see, whether it's just free busy times or full event details, depends on the permissions they've granted. If you don't currently have permission, Outlook will prompt you with a message like, "Ask to view this calendar." When you see that, click Request Access. This sends a permission request to the calendar owner. They'll need to approve it before you can see their events. Once they grant access, you may need to refresh your calendar view for changes to show up. Keep in mind that private events remain private even when access is granted. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're signed in with the correct work or school account, since directories are tied to your organization. If you can't find someone, they might not be in your directory or their calendar sharing settings may be restricted. In those cases, reach out to them and ask them to share their calendar directly. And that's it. You've subscribed to someone else